What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe down below. If you are returning, welcome back. So today we are not going to be doing a part video. We're actually going to be doing a paint protection video. I'm going to do a little review on a product with a company I was speaking with. The company itself is called Coat and Shine. The product is Blitz Coat. What it is it's going to protect your paint for a long period of time, covers up to several months after an application, and one bottle is good for 10 to 12 uses. So you're talking about buying a bottle once and then it lasting for a long time. So this company's pretty cool. They're founded here in 2019. Looks like they're coming out of Delaware. Again, their name is Coat and Shine. If you guys want to look them up, I am going to link their website in the description of this video. So if you guys are interested, you can go look at some of their products. So typically we would be working with the F30 behind me, which is my car. I just recently did an actual coating material on my car not too long ago. So today we're going to be working instead with my roommate's 5 Series. It is the E60 to my understanding, and he doesn't keep his car as clean as I do. I clean mine about once a week, and I only drive it maybe 3 times a week. He washes his car a lot less than that. So we are going to be doing on the hood. I'm going to do kind of a line down the middle. We're going to clean it. We're gonna put the coating material on it, and then we're also gonna do like a little review on quality. I'm gonna put some water on it, see how well it wicks the water away, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So to start with, I'm actually gonna go inside, go in my kitchen, go down, sit down at the table, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that came in the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I'm sitting here in my dining room here. I've got everything that came in the box laid out. So I'll show you guys everything that came in, and then we'll go outside and actually put it on the car. So to start with, it did come with a microfiber towel. I think that's kind of a cool thing that they thought of. You don't always get good microfiber towels, and some people don't even have any. So just throwing that in the package, that's a cool thing that they included. Another thing they had was they had this little instruction pamphlet here. So the instruction pamphlet has not only some quick instructions on how to actually apply it to the car, but it also has some frequently asked questions. So it shows, that a typical 16-ounce bottle, so I got the 8-ounce as a tester, so I could do this review and kind of walk over how the product works and how well it works. But it typically would come in a 16-ounce bottle. A 16-ounce bottle can be used for about 10 to 12 applications. And it says you want to put one on about every couple months. Basically what it is, the product by Coat and Shine here, it's called Blitz Coat. It'll actually put like a coat on your car, on your paint, similar to the way a detail spray would. So it's going to be a layer of protection on the paint. You can put it on like after you wash the car. They do say that you can put it on when the car is dirty. For me, I typically say that you don't ever want to touch the car if it is dirty. You always want to make sure that you're washing it first. So I say, just to be safe, always wash the car before you put any type of coating material on there. But the material, what it does is it wicks away water, dirt, grime. It's going to keep your car cleaner longer. It's going to make it look brighter. It's going to make the paint pop more, have more of a deeper shine, and just overall keep it in a good condition. It's going to protect from UV rays, from the sun, sitting outside, anything like that. I'm lucky enough to be able to park mine in the garage, but some people I know don't have that privilege. So if you guys are parking your car outside, it is good to keep a good coat on it of some sort, whether it's ceramic coating, whether it's a detail spray after every wash, whether it's something like this, which is kind of like a midway. Like I said, it's the bottle itself does 10 to 12 applications, and it says you can put one on every couple months. So it will last you a few months after putting a coat on. Other than that, so we've got the actual stuff itself. So we've got the squirt bottle top, and then we have the actual bottle here. So like I said, mine's an 8-ounce. It typically is going to come in a 16. But this stuff, the bottle itself is a really thick bottle, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. We do see a lot of cheap bottles that I go through and I'll drop it, crack it, or something like that. So this is a pretty heavy duty bottle. The company itself, so the company, like I said, is Coat and Shine. They're actually in Delaware, it looks like. All their products are actually made in the USA, so that's another positive to them as well. The company looks like they just started up here in 2019, and I've been talking to them a little bit online, and they wanted me to kind of do this review for them and see if I liked it, and who knows, it might be a product that ends up in my normal stuff. So anyways, another thing actually, before I forget, on the instruction pamphlet, they have this little QR code thing. One thing that's kind of cool about that, as far as from an instruction standpoint, is you just scan it with your phone. It'll actually show you video instructions on how to apply it to your car. So I thought that was kind of a cool twist on that. I don't typically see that. I mean, there might be other stuff that's out there that I haven't seen, but I personally haven't seen any. Other than that, the box came good condition. It wasn't banged up or anything. The actual bottle itself was wrapped with the microfiber towel, so that was a good use of that. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump outside. We'll go ahead and start putting this on the car and see what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the car that we're working with. It is my roommate's 5 Series. So another reason why I wanted to use this car is because it's black. Black is going to be able to show you the biggest paint difference when it's clean versus dirty. His car also has a few blemishes in it, so you can see it's got a lot of paint imperfections, a lot of stuff like that I'm going to actually see if this paint protection brings out, shines up, and makes it look a little bit more deeper. So let's go ahead and get this washed and get this started. So here's what it looks like after I have washed it. I have got me a blue stripe down the center. We're gonna do half and half. I will probably do the coat and shine on the right side over here, and then we'll leave the left side the way it is. And I think he actually put a detail spray on this car about, I want to say 4 months ago. So we'll see how well it holds up, but do the coat and shine over here, nothing over here. Let's see how it goes. Putting the coating on there, we're going to see if we can tell a difference. Let's go take a look. All right, so as you know, I did the right side. I think it changed a lot as far as the depth of the shine. I think it looks a little bit more like a mirror. I mean, that is like a straight reflection. I've just got this, tree perfectly placed right here. But so here's the side that I didn't do on the left side of the tape. I think you can tell a big difference right in here versus right in here. It just seems like it's more of a reflection on the right hand side. And don't get me wrong, the paint was in decent shape as far as how clear the black was, but I just think it's so much clearer on this side. I mean, that just looks like a picture. It looks like I'm literally looking up at the tree. The side, you can tell it's still got like some of that haziness. You can see almost like water drop stains and stuff like that the Blitz Coat was able to pull out. There's an imperfection that we're not going to get rid of, but yeah, overall, I mean, I would rate this as a really good quality product. Coat and Shine seems like they know what they're doing. I mean, they are car guys themselves, so anyways. This looks really great. I mean, I definitely would use this product on my car for sure. So highly would recommend this, because this is unreal how much of a reflection that looks like. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna bring Nathan, this is his car. I'm gonna bring him outside. I'm gonna see if he can guess which side I did. Now, he knows that I'm doing this video, but he doesn't know what side I chose. So let's see what he thinks. All right, so this is Nathan, my roommate. This is his car.
What's up?
So Nate, you knew I was doing this video. Did I tell you what side of the car I was doing this on?
No, I'm assuming I'm gonna have to guess.
Yeah, all right, so one side, of course, both sides were washed. One side was actually done with the Blitz Coat. One side wasn't. Which side was it? Now look from every angle. Like I really want your honest thought. Like if you analyze the car, which one do you think it was? right side?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes. I know there was a couple blotchy spots, and they look a lot better on that side.
You're positive?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Final answer.
Okay, so it was the right side. Does it look like a big difference?
Yeah, it's noticeable. I can definitely tell a difference between like these little scrub spots.
What about the overall reflection?
Overall reflection is a lot better on this side too. It looks kind of blotchy right here as well.
Okay.
Not as shiny.
All right, there you go, guys. So that was the Coat and Shine Blitz Coat applied to my roommate's car here. He said that one of the biggest tells is that on the side that I didn't do on the left side, he said that it had a lot of watermarks, and that was pretty much the biggest tell. I thought it was really cool that he was actually able to call out which side that I did. But as a note, I was not paid for this video. They simply asked if they were to send me some of the product to test out, if I could do a simple and honest review on it. I said I would, good or bad. So I did a good review on it, and I would highly actually recommend it. Paint protection is really important. So I apologize we didn't do anything with the F30 today, but got to make sure that the paint's in good shape too. So without further ado, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like the video down below if you enjoyed the video that I just did, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Other than that, guys, you can always find me on Instagram at unworthyf30 as usual. Other than that, I think we're gonna finish that up for today. So you guys have a good one. See you in the next video.